Ya. Kalau ada lah. Ini ya. Orang cakap apa? Kahana ini motor pergi mana? Macam musik.
Okay, good morning internet. We are going to breakfast at this place. Dim sum, Chok Di Dim Sum. Look at the crowd. Probably not as much as before COVID, but still a lot of people. Đi chọc phấn hồng sắc ngồi trên thấy đâu. Chọc tất cả mỗi Grab Food Rider dành đủ này.
Grab Food Rider in Thailand. Có lỗ có lủng á không?
花狗一籠唔夠啊，兩籠 OK， 差唔多啦。
Babi saya tak mau ah. Jalan. Tengok mau makan apa? Babi. Jalan. Apa lagi?
Jalan. Cari makan. Kuhong Mountain Viewpoint. So now it's 10:27. We're going there on a Vesak day. 8 or 11, I think 11 lah. Oh. I think that's the bikers from the colourful colour hotel. Yeah. Wah, ada nombor plate AY lah. There, Diawi. Kampung. Satu orang Malaysia, CX. Even though it's only 3 days, 2 nights trip to Hat Yai, Thailand, covered more than 2,000 kilometers in short period. We really enjoy a lot. Now we are going to visit final location before heading back to hotel for checking out. Cannot lah, no pass by lah. Okay. Serious ah sini. This is police station, you know, turn right. Okay, hope we are not at the wrong place. You look like entering a police station. Going out the back door ah? No lah, this road is it? Jaga ah, ni ada lubang ah, longkang. Yalah, depan tu U-turn and then naik bukit. Jaga pasir, sand. Amirul, ikut dekat sikit, nanti tak ada wifi. I think not far, have to turn left. Oh, sini ialah Hat Yai punya border lah, state border. Turn left and keep left. Oh, ada, terus. Amirul lead us to a wrong direction, so I took the lead. Not long after, I realized we had to go off-road to the location. So my bad. Eventually, Jack lead us to the right direction finally. Fuck man, why this bloody thing bawa aku straight sial? The Google Map bawa aku jalan terus tau. They also got another alternate road. Ini saja bawa kita jalan-jalan ni. Oh, Kuan Yin. Ya, correct. Ya, Prabuddha Mongol Maharaj. Corner abang, corner. Yes. Finally here. Really? Okay, we are now at the temple. On top of Hat Nyai. Tại sao thì kita jalan terus tadi. Sini. Take a final picture here at this hotel. You okay or not, brother? Yeah, I don't think he know how to use a film camera lah. Okay, see you. See you in Johor. Okay, so now it's 12:58 Malaysia time, 1 PM let's say. We are officially leaving from the Kiss Garden Hotel from Hat Yai. It's about 43 km to Sadao Custom. Approximately 44 minutes to reach. The weather looks good. Half dark, half bright. Hopefully not too extreme hot. And I'm wearing new shirt. Boleh nampak tak dalam cermin ni? Patalungnya Route 41. Inilah GS Trophy, Hat Yai GS Trophy. Baru motor ada adventure. Kasut foto. Agak rindu tempat ni lah. Hopefully next time kira terus naik Bangkok aja. Ni kira pondok polis lah ni, police box. Ini Hummer version Thailand punya. Terus bukan padang besar. Another 13 km lah. This is Sadao ni. This is Sadao. There border 11 km. Jalan betul tu depan sana 12 km lagi. Kita berhenti 7-Eleven dulu, beli air, buang haus. Okay kawan-kawan, sekarang pun sudah 2.30. Kita dah keluar daripada custom Thailand dengan Malaysia. Tapi kita terserempak dengan satu pakcik GSA juga. Orangnya pun peramah. Dia tinggal kat Nilai. Dia ajak nak join ride sekali balik. So kita ikut je lah. Okay, mana jalan motor? Mana jalan motor ni? Ikut sini ya bang? Motor ikut sini ya?
Balik mana?
Balik Malaysia. Okay, terima kasih. Mesti mau tanya Kak, Kang buka senapang kan? Rugilah. Pasal dia orang tutup laluan motor. Okey lah, so kita akan stop by next petrol station, isi minyak jap. kencing dulu, buang dulu, bagi ringan sikit. Baru kita gerak. Nampak otai, jangan buat malu. Nampak GS sahaja. Hot Thai legend. Ha?
Ada pakai jaket.
Yalah. Boleh, lupa. Nasib baik lah. Tengok pakcik baik hati lah. Dia bagi ingatkan. Kita ni asyik ingat nak belah je. Itulah, tak ingat lah pakcik. Nasib baik ada pakcik. Dah biasa kat dalam ride tak pakai.
Tahu depan apa macam.
Okey, jaket pun dah pakai. So pakcik akan lead the way. Kita ikut saja. Ikut otai lama. Dia nak bagi potong tu. Depan ada bikers juga. Orang Penang mai. Orang Cina. Dia pakai tangan, old school. Aku ada feeling sampai Penang ni mesti jam je. Yo, nampak Penang ni. Plaza Tol Juru. Jam, babe. Recording. Mesti mau payung sikit. Bon, tahu jam. Okay, so sekarang pakcik ni akan berhenti di sini, Gunung Semanggul. Saya akan ambil nombor dia lah, pasal dia nak video footage GoPro ni. So maybe kita boleh roger nanti ada ride ke apa. Cik, nak ambil nombor cik, nanti hantar video.
Okay. Mesti 1-3.
Kos dah.
MotoVlog.
Pakcik bagus lah. Wah. Nanti datang Johor Roger lah pakcik.
You direct Johor baru ah?
Ya.
From Phuket?
No, Hat Nyai. Terima kasih. Nanti ada turun Johor Roger.
Okay,
kita pergi makan ke apa. Okay Wah. Masih. Mirul, hang bawa depan pula. Penat lah aku. Okey. Yalah, phone nombor dia kecil lah Tiul. Recording lah bos. Jangan risau. Recording. Relax lah bos. Ni urut lah. Jam lah depan. Jalan dah kecil siul. Yo, lagu Andy Lau lagi. Okay, we are nearly reached Ipoh. Now it's 5 PM. From Ipoh to Rawang should be another an hour or less. Bit of rain after Penang for 10 minutes. Tengok Amirul tu, kaki sudah turun saja, itu kira sudah terang lah. Recently pun saya dapat satu mesej dari member, ada orang tuang minyak. Tak tahulah betul ke tak, tapi lagi baik jaga keselamatan dulu. Sampai tetap sampai, cuma lambat sikit je. Oh, angin pun sejuk je kat bukit. See you next time. Ooh. Okay, we have reached Arena Ulu Benam. Now it's exactly 6 o'clock, so we're gonna fill our bike, have a bit of drink, and we'll continue our journey. Amirul will going his own way. He'll back to Kuala Terengganu, and I'm going back to Johor Bahru. Both of our distance is about the same, just that he's going to the west side of Malaysia and I'm going south. Mari stop, mesti mau kena Wonder Coffee. Jumpa abang dari Ipoh ni. Sekarang 6.40, so kita nak gerak. Ada lagi 400 km lagi untuk sampai JB. Alright, bye. Okay, see you ride safe Papa mesej sampai. Okay. Jumpa abang dengan kakak tadi kat depan ni. Oh shit, ini dah rasa hujan dah ni, rentis-rentis ni. Oh ya, hujan kat depan tu. Hujan dah datang. Tapi best lah, sejuk. Satu, pasal hujan. Jam ah, teruknya. Ni belum sampai KL lagi ni. Kalau naik kereta mampus ni. KL ni sebelum tol hujan lebat pula. Oh, heavy rain. I don't know if this GoPro can see, because it's too dark, terlalu gelap. Tapi memang banyak kereta ni hari. All the way dari Ipoh, belah Ipoh sana, tempat simpang Polai, memang banyak kereta, sampai jam semua. Okay, so the terrible jam already end after the Sungai Besi Toll. Ada jam pula lepas nilai ni. Kita tak tahu apa sebab. Yang depan ni pun rider Johor juga ni, nak balik Johor ni. I just fill up my bike in Arena Pago. Now the time is exactly 9 PM. Another 142 kilometers to reach home. But so lucky. All the way from Nilai to Johor Bahru, there's no rain. Really grateful for that and can't wait to be back home. Just before Pulai exit, totally stand still, all the cars. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I finally exit. 10 o'clock exactly now, 10:05 if you can see the dashboard. I am super tired, that's how I feel now, but at the same time I'm enjoying my ride, even though with the jam and everything. Finally me and Amiro managed to went to Thailand for the first time. Everything went smoothly and safe. If you do enjoy this video, please do go to my page, subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.